What's up, guys? Biker Dave here. This is a 2012 Ram 1500, but this may apply to many different Ram models. The issue was the driver's seat was just worn slap out. There's the padding underneath. It was just real uncomfortable to sit in for long periods of time. Fortunately, you can get the replacement foam as well as a little cover in a kit. I'll put a link down below where you can get it. But yeah, not very difficult to do. I'd say the most difficult thing is just removing this right here. You first need to remove the little clip that holds the arm, that handles the tilting mechanism. There's a little clip here. This little guy right here. This little clip is basically what holds this spline area to the shaft. So you just have to pry it backwards basically and just sort of force it off to the back of the truck and then pull this off with some force. This will come off. Then you'll have a Phillips head screw that'll be right there where my thumb is, and then just force all of this off, and then you can get to the little hooks. The cover itself just has little hooks like this on the sides and the front and the rear that hooks underneath, and you'll see it once you're in there. It's not that bad at all, actually. What I'm noticing is you should do the back side first. See the hook right there? It hooks underneath that part of the seat. Then there'll be another one that'll hook underneath here. You'll see it. Once you're down there, you'll see what I'm talking about. Another one for the front. There's this black hook right there. See that right there? It'll hook underneath the front, and then shove your pad underneath there, and then hook this where the other one came loose. And it's really not that bad. I was surprised, actually, because you hear a lot of horror stories about replacing seat bottoms that can be horrific, and this was not bad at all. So yeah, look for the links in the description where you can buy it. Now make sure you want to match up your seat cover color also, so that could be an issue. Just make sure you search for that. But yeah, these parts are available on Amazon and that sort of thing. And if our video saved your life, make sure you click the thanks button that's underneath the video screen. Shoot us a little donation. We really appreciate it. And y'all have a great day. We'll see you.